Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Amita Kaur. Today we will talk about fatty liver, what are the causes of fatty liver disease and what are the homeopathic medicines to treat them. In India itself, it's 40% adults are affected nowadays with fatty liver disease. So, when our body does not utilize fat properly, it stored up in the liver. ये जाकर liver में जमा हो जाता है extra fat. उसकी वजह से liver become enlarged and inflamed. So, what are the causes of fatty liver? Excessive calorie intake, diet high in sugar and high in fats promote fat storage in the liver. Intake of excess alcohol. Excess alcohol is toxic to the liver cell. Type 2 diabetes, obesity, high cholesterol level. They all are the causes of fatty liver disease. Two types of fatty livers are there: alcoholic fatty liver and non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Alcoholic fatty liver is disease due to excessive intake of alcohol, and non-alcoholic fatty liver disease is due to excessive calorie intake, due to obesity and due to diabetes. So let's discuss what are the stages of fatty liver. Sometimes simple fat deposit in the fatty liver. It is a simple fatty liver disease. Steatohepatitis is second stage when fat causes inflammation and damage to the liver cell. Third stage is fibrosis. Repeated inflammation led to scarring of the liver. And third stage is up to reversible. And fourth stage is cirrhosis. Severe scarring lead to permanent liver damage, or we can say liver failure. So the stages, there are 4 stages. First, second, third can be reversible. Fourth stage cannot be reversible in the fatty liver disease. Homeopathic is very effective in treating 1, 2 and 3 stages. So let's discuss what are the symptoms of fatty liver disease. Early stages, stage first and second, you may experience fatigue, mild pain in the upper right abdomen. In advanced stage, you feel weakness, confusion, swelling in the legs or abdomen, ascites, which say water in your abdomen, jaundice, extra fatigue, mental confusion. So, what are the diagnoses? So, first of all, you have to do the blood test. You have to go for liver function test, SGOT, SGPT, and then ultrasound of your whole abdomen. The conditions can be reversed in the early stages through a healthy diet, regular exercise, and by losing weight, and by abstaining from alcohol. So let's discuss what you should eat. Eat balanced rich diet rich in whole grains, fruits and vegetables. You should include citrus fruits in your diet. Limit your sugar, your refined carbs and saturated fat. For home remedies, you can take apple cider vinegar with water. You can drink lemon water or nibu pani. You can drink green tea. Green tea is full of antioxidant. You should include it in your diet. Then you can take haldi water, haldi milk. You can take amla juice. These are very effective in treating fatty liver disease. Homeopathic medicines are very effective. You can take Nux vomica 30 if you have fatty liver and you have a habit like sedentary habit, constipation is present. You can take Nux vomica 200 one dose weekly. Then we have medicine Lycopodium 200 if you have enlarged liver, sluggish metabolism and abdominal bloating with fatty liver. These symptoms are present. You can take Lycopodium 200. Then we have medicine Chilidonium major mother tincture and Cardinus major mother tincture. These are very effective in treating fatty liver. You can combine both these mother tincture 10 ml in one bottle. Then you can drink from this mixture morning and afternoon 10 drops with water. You have to take these medicine for 2-3 months. Then your fatty liver will gone. Thank you. More information, you can subscribe the channel.